So I am back here for the second time. Came yesterday, got some goodies. I had to bring Moana with me. She's gonna try to scoop up some of these crystals and everything. So we'll see what we got. Yes, I'm wearing this hat because I was getting bit up so bad yesterday, and it did not feel good. So it's very hot, but it's worth it to wear it. So we're gonna see what we can get. She stopped me to say, "What is this?"
What is this?
So can you?
Oh, which one's the camera? There you go.
Yeah, there you go. That was her first piece. That was like crystallized that she found.
Yay.
So are you excited? I got real excited when I kept finding them. So
Yeah.
Just
Well,
bugs.
I mean, I want more. If it's gonna look like this, I want it
Exactly.
the full thing. No, I
No,
want
that
the
won't-
full thing to be like crystal.
that's not gonna happen. I don't think. You gotta get lucky for that.
Oh, it's still kind of cool.
Can you see that? I just walked over here to the spot that I was yesterday, and I don't know if somebody missed this or what. But yeah. Look at this.
Wow, that's a lot. That's a good piece.
Yeah, I don't know if somebody missed it or.
Looks like it was planted here.
Yeah, that one's pretty big. Yes. See, there's more pieces all right here. Dude, there is a mosquito on my face. So we're just walking down this little ravine. Or what would you call this? This is like a ravine or like little, maybe just down the hillside, I should say. And we're finding all kinds of crystal rocks and everything. So we've just been scooping them all up. And there's somebody like shooting out here. I don't know what the deal is with that. Yeah, it's all over the place. So I thought I was in the hood, but I'm out in the woods. But I saw this little piece as I was coming down here that I wanted to dig out. Can you see it right there? It looks that nice. It's probably just a little nugget, yeah. I like these ones. Keeping all these small ones like more so in a jar so I don't lose them in my bucket. So she said, babe, I'm about to be jealous. So let's see. Yeah, let's see if you're lying. If I am gonna be jealous, I'm leaving.
Ooh,
Actually, that is kind of nice.
it is really nice.
I'm a little annoyed, actually.
No, just use the real word. You're jealous. Pretty jealous.
I guess you can keep it. I mean, I hope it doesn't get mixed up with mine and then I accidentally keep it.
Oh, yeah, that might happen.
Sometimes that happens.
I'm gonna take a picture.
You can keep it.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Just use your fingers to get the dirt off.
No, that's why I got this spear.
Spear. So we just started our competition and I got really excited because after she just showed me that big piece she found, I saw this sticking out and I was like, oh, heck yeah, I just won. And it's a piece of glass. But thank goodness I just threw it down and it was right next to a crystal that I didn't even see. Right here. If I can get it out. Dang. Yeah. Ooh. That one does kind of have a big old one. That's kind of nice. So it looks like this piece she might be a little jelly on. Oh yeah, this one's a nice piece. Should I wait to show it to her? Or should I just show it to her now? I should just show it to her now. This one's nice. Oh, look at that. They're all like playing. Cool. See it? Oh, there he is. They're like playing tag. And this one was right next to it. Yes. Love it. Should I tell her? She's all the way up there. Look at her. Does she notice? What? That's not me. Oh. All right, here you go. No, I didn't look at that. Here, you can just hold on to it.
Wow. I mean, that's decent, I guess.
It's better than yours, I feel like. Just wait till it looks like it just when it's washed off. Yep. This fly is really, or this mosquito is really trying to get me. Trying to bite through my hat. I just found this piece. I feel like this one's a little bit different than the other ones I usually find. But I'm not sure what it is. I would assume it's just crystal quartz, right? So I'm definitely taking this one because it's got crystals all around it. I'm seeing crystals, so I wonder what it'll look like when it's cleaned up. It's just gonna be heavy trying to carry it all. This piece of flint looks really cool. It doesn't really have any sparkles or anything on it, but it's got that nice little, actually, I wonder if that is something, that blue line down the middle. Cool. Pieces like this are worth grabbing to me. It's kind of heavy. It's got, you can't really tell, but the lines of crystals all up it. I think that's pretty cool, this giant piece of flint that has it all. When I see pieces like this, it automatically makes me think of like Rome or something, because it looks like a road map of the city with all the lines. Babe, you walk past this piece right here. It's got, you can't really see it. Man, it doesn't do it justice, but there's a lot on it. Dude, I'm telling you, see, as soon as I pick up my phone, there's a mosquito in my face. Why is it trying to eat my face? There's some right here too. Ooh. Yeah, I like, ooh, babe. Babe, you missed all of this. For real. Did you do that on purpose, for real? To let me find it? That was really nice. I don't like that one as much. That was really nice of you. Which you didn't do it on purpose, I know. I know you missed it. It's okay.
It's all for you.
Mm-hmm.
Anything for my babes.
I thought this tree was interesting because of the branch that literally just circled it. Like it goes all the way around it. Like a protecting mechanism. Looks like they were trying to dig this one out. I see some sparkles on it, so I'll probably try to bust that piece off. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, you can't see it. There's sparkles all on that and on that piece. But they destroyed that one. Like real good. Maybe this is what happens when you do bust them open though. Because look at this. That piece that has it on it. This piece has it all on it. This one right here. Interesting. I'm just finding them all over the place. Like it's full of it. Maybe that is the trick. You have to, look at that one. It's got sparkles all over it. But it's in the ground. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yes. Oh yeah. That's great. This one is like the Bosnia. What are those trees? The Bosnia trees or something? Bonsai trees. That's what this one reminds me of. And I found this one. It's got crystals on it and stuff, but it's got this living plant on it. So I think I'm just gonna leave it here. Tuck it away. Oh, it came off. Okay, well, I guess I'll keep it now. This piece that's sparkling slightly is so flat at the bottom, it's literally like a paperweight. So that's probably what I'll use it for. This piece is interesting. It's sparkling and it's red. So this piece right here is really glistening. I want to dig that one out. And it's got the spider web all in here. So I feel bad I'm tearing up this guy's home, but you have all day to make another one, guys. Sorry. All right, let's see if I can get this out. Oh, it might be bigger than I think. Oh. Oh. It's hard doing this one-handed too. Oh. How big is it? All right, I'm gonna have to try to get this with two hands. Okay, I had to give up because this is a huge boulder. It's the part of one, and I am definitely not getting that out. So tell me when we're rolling.
It's right now.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
Okay. I wasn't gonna take no for an answer. Can you zoom in? Can you get the zoomies on here? You got it. Can you see them? Can you see them?
Yeah.
Real good.
Yeah.
Look at this. I was just busting it. Maybe that's what people are doing, because since I was busting it, I'm finding all these crystals now on it. So that's probably what these people were doing.
Wow.
So never take no for an answer. Yeah, that's what I would say. So I'm gonna keep busting this. There we go. Ooh, that is sharp. Oh yeah, look at that. See, that's what people are doing.
Wow.
Can you see the crystals on it?
I zoomed in.
You probably can't
put it
see
more
them.
in the light. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Yeah.
That's what this whole piece is. That's so cool.
You zoom into that piece.
Yeah, it's huge.
Wow.
But I can't, I mean, I wanted to bring the whole boulder, but I can't get it.
I don't think it's gonna fit in your bucket.
Nope, my bucket is full. I literally can see Denethor jumping off of this right now.
I know Zenithor.
No, Denethor.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Stewart
Oh,
of
yeah.
Gondor.
Oh.
But for real,
Yeah.
I mean, doesn't it look like it?
Yes, the Dothraki.
Okay, I'm done. So legit, the ones around trees yield the best results, I feel like. I don't know if it has something to do with the water right next to all of it or something, but this piece, oh, is it big? Oh, come on, not another big piece. Well, I want a big piece, but not to do the work. I gotta get this piece. She found these 2 pieces. They're pretty cool. I see sparkles right there and right here on the side.
An ant.
Oh, they turned it to the side. There you go. There's some right there. Oh, right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's just this. I don't know, lost it. It's like a Rubik's Cube. There's some over there.
I don't want to break them off, but oh, this is a big daddy one. Oh. Got it.
Watch it
It's
be
not-
like,
it's
oh,
not even big.
wow. I was going to say, watch it be
Oh,
really
the roots
tight.
are like holding it down there.
No, it was no roots.
No, but
See,
look
there's
right
no
there.
roots.
See all right there? It kind
Oh,
of tricked
hold on.
me
Let
a
me
little bit.
zoom in because I feel like I can't see anything that you're referring to.
Right here.
Okay.
You don't see that? Oh, right there.
Oh, okay.
But that
Maybe if you
it tricked
turn
me. It was just the top part, and then the rest of it is. I don't want the rest.
Gotcha.
I want to break it off.
So the moral of the story is you got to get to the root of the problem.
That's a really good one.
Thank you.
Actually, I want to try to just break it off.
All right.
I'm gonna ruin this.
All right, Thor.
I'm
let's
just
go.
keeping it like that. I'm not, because I'm gonna ruin it, and then like everybody's gonna be like, "Oh, you destroyed it," and blah blah blah. You know, oh, this piece right here.
Nice.
Okay.
It's rough, Daddy.
I'm hot.
You are.
Check this one out. So, those clear spots, I'm about to have a stroke over here. Those clear spots, actually, it's see-through, I think. So it's transparent if you hold it up to the sun, and then it still has sparkles on it. So this piece, I think, is actually a really good one. It's got a lot of stuff in it. So it's these random pieces that are just out there laying by nothing that have like the most sparkling crystals all over the place. It's incredible how this works. So it's always best to not look for them, and then you magically find them. It's incredible how it works. This one's got it all over, and this looks like a shark tooth or something. That's so cool. If you're gonna look in that area, I left a whole bunch for you, just in case, you know what I mean? So if you find something good, I left it there on purpose. I didn't miss it.
Thank you.
Yeah. When she says, "Oh, babe, that's the worst," that means she found something good, probably better than
It
mine.
doesn't look that great, right?
Oh, okay, that makes me feel
It
better.
doesn't look that great, but look in this hole.
That's the crystals.
What?
It's like a geode. Let me
Yeah,
see.
and then all this.
You want to put that in my bucket?
No, I want to put it in my bucket. And the kids aren't going to get this one.
No, don't let them. Don't even show them. Yeah, you can see them a little bit in there. Go ahead and put that in my bucket over there.
Oh, I was putting that first one.
Yeah, mine. She found another one. It's a really big one.
Well,
It's got the cavity.
it.
Yeah. Can you move it around, see if we can see it sparkle? Oh, it's too hard. The sun is like... Oh, there you go. Yeah, nice little deposit. It's pretty cool. Yep, nice. I feel like you have to be kind of skilled to just find these little crystals just laying randomly in places. I mean, do they call me Eagle Eye?
It was like the eye of the eagle.
Oh, is that what they've been calling me?
Yeah.
Oh. We're struggling really bad to bring these up the hill. Oh,
Why couldn't we start downhill?
we should have brought a wagon. Oh boy. I don't know what's worse, carrying all this or having to clean it all after it's done. Okay.
Cleaning. I'm nappy.
So this guy and I were racing up the hill. He's pretty fast. I think he's mad I beat him, so he wants to come and attack me. See, I'm doing all the dirty work carrying this heavy bucket up here. She's all the way up there saying she's finding stuff and... Is it good? That's what happens when you leave. When you're leaving, you start finding all this good stuff. It's to trap you, to keep you out here to like find more.
Yeah, because you made me walk all the way back.
It's really
That's
far.
handy.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
Right?
That one's pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that one's nice too. Here, put it.
This is the original.
Put it right here in my bucket.
Oh, I'll put it right there for you.
No,
to
just
sit.
drop it in my bucket.
And then yours is heavy enough though, so this is.
Yeah, I like that one.
Let's see.
I have a ton of those ones. This is gonna look really cool with my collection.
Yeah, not these though.
Of course, walking up the hill. What we got? What we got, people? Right here. This nice, if I can get it. Yeah. Nice looking one. Ooh. This one might have a lot in it. Oh yeah, it's all the way down to the bottom. This one might be nice once I get all this dirt out. Cool. Did you find one up there? 2? Oh boy. It was just literally right here. It's different. It's like a bubbled crystal. I like this one though. I don't know why it was just laying up here with this tree. Interesting. So we made it to the end of our journey. That was rough. Carrying that bucket, I am out of breath and I am sweating.
Going uphill. That's because you had that hat. Uphill for the last stretch. Would not recommend.
Even going downhill with that was rough. So
yeah, my bucket is the one that has the most.
Yeah,
I was
okay.
doing really well. Jesse was a little behind.
Oh, that was rough. I could definitely got my exercise out of that one.
My bucket was the sweetest. Baby.
She watched the baby for the whole time, so she didn't get to go out there and find some rocks and crystals.
I already had my crystal. Us.
All right, I think that's it.
Time to weigh and pay and get on the way.
Weigh and pay.
Oh.